What is that? A snake in my house! Mom! Dad! Please come fast! There was a snake right there! I saw it!
A snake? Luna? Are you sure?
I don't see anything here.
But it was right there! I promise!
I know you're still there. Why is it hiding from everyone? Is it watching only me? Okay, maybe it was just my imagination, or maybe it's still here. There you are again!
Mom! Dad! It's here again! Please come fast!
There's nothing here again. But it was right there. Why does it disappear? Why does it only appear when I'm alone? Is it hiding from everyone else?
My room feels different tonight.
Something is here. I can feel it. Hish.
Quiet. Perfect. There it is again.
Who is that? It looks just like me.
Hiss! You move like me. I like you. You're perfect.
It's looking at itself? Does it love the mirror? It's not dangerous, it's just weird. I have to tell Mom and Dad. Hiss. You are so beautiful. I could watch you forever.
The snake is in my room again! And it's watching itself in the mirror!
Luna, are you sure about this?
Mm-hmm.
A snake? Watching itself? Stay close, Luna. We'll check together.
It was right here, near the mirror.
There's nothing here again.
But I saw it! I really did!
Maybe it's just your imagination, sweetie.
No, it's real. I know it is.
What if she's telling the truth?
Then we need to see it ourselves.
If it comes again, we'll catch it on camera.
Let's wait and watch.
Let's see what the camera recorded last night.
Please! It has to be there!
Oh my, it's real.
See? I told you! It's dancing with itself?
You were right, Luna. This snake isn't attacking. It's fascinated. I think I know how to catch it.
Really? What's the plan?
It loves the mirror. That's the key. We can use that to trap it. We'll place a mirror inside a cage. And it will walk right into it.
We still have this old cage.
Oh. Perfect. This will work. The mirror must face the entrance.
Oh, so it sees itself as soon as it comes.
This will attract it inside.
Now everything is ready. Everything is in place. Now we wait.
I hope it comes tonight. Stay very quiet. Don't make a sound. What if it doesn't come?
It's so quiet. That means we wait.
I feel it again. My reflection is waiting.
Something feels different, but the reflection is inside.
Hiss. Should I go inside? It looks so perfect.
Hiss! I'm coming! Don't go anywhere!
Hiss! You're here again. You're still perfect. Hiss! What is this? This is nice. This is nice. Just a little more. This is perfect.
Hiss! What was that? The door! It closed!
Hiss! I'm trapped? But you're still here.
Did you hear that?
That's the trap. It worked.
It's inside. And it's calm. It's still looking at itself. It isn't scary anymore. It just loves its reflection. Will it be okay out there?
Yes, sweetheart. It will be free.
Hiss! I will remember.
Goodbye, little snake.
Hiss, the world or my reflection? You can go. It's your choice.
Let's leave this here for it.
So it can still see what it loves.
That was a very funny snake.
The one who loved the mirror.